Jan Crack, welcome back for lesson 2 of Beginner's Irish with Dan. Just a quick recap of what we did yesterday. If you missed it, have we looked back at my page and it's there labelled lesson 1. In lesson 1 we covered Ditch, which is hello, Ditch, which is hello back to somebody, and agaibh, so hello to multiple people. We also covered Falcha, which is welcome, and Caimita Falcha, 100,000 welcomes. Today we're going to look at a few other greetings and start to learn how to say goodbye. But remember, I will leave pauses here for you to sound them out loud, and that's very important for you to get the right mouth shapes and to start being able to practice them. So practice them during the video, and later on today or tomorrow, make sure you practice with somebody in the house, your dog, your cat, your crocodile, whatever you have available to you. And if you have none of those, because I don't have a crocodile, you can just practice in a mirror or record yourself like I do. So to say good morning, it's imagine why. Imagine why. Imagine why. Imagine why. To say good afternoon, it's tranona, my. Tranona my. And for good night, it's ihawai, 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 ihawai. And that's good night. So if you wanted to say morning to someone in the shop, or your kids, or whoever it may be, imagine why. Repeat after me, imagine why. Fantastic. So if you wanted to say night to somebody in your house, or as you're leaving the shop and saying good night, or to your colleagues, whoever it may be, iha why, iha why. Take a second to translate. Iha why. Great. Remember, no judgment here. It's just me and you practicing. Nobody judging you. It takes a lot of practice to be able to recount this. So the more you say it, the easier it's going to be. I'm just going to cover two very basic goodbyes, and you probably already know one of them. Any words that you already know going through these videos of mine, fantastic. You've already got a leg up in front of everybody else, but it doesn't harm to review them anyway. So, goodbye, slan, slan, slan. Goodbye, slan, slan. Remember, you may hear some people saying slán, slán, but that's just because of the different dialects. They pronounce some of the letters slightly differently, and we'll cover them at a later stage. For us, we're focusing on Ulster Irish, and Ulster Irish, it's slan, slan. Next is one of my personal favourites, more, more, more. Good luck. This next one is expert level. Okay, so I forget this one all the time. It's going to take a lot of practice, and it's very rarely that I would use something like this anyway. But just to give everybody a little bit extra and introduce you to it, we're going to cover a see you later. A see you later. And that's Chiefy May Baltu. Chiefy May Baltu. Chiefy May Baltu. And if you're saying it to multiple people, it's Chiefy May Bal Shiv. Chiefy May Bal Shiv. And soon enough, we're going to cover tu and shiv and all the different pronouns that are there. So now in our vocabulary bank, we have Ditch, Muradich, agaibh. Sort of covered agaibh a carja, but Ditch akara, which is hello friend, hello to you friend, and agaibh a carja, hello friends, hello to you all friends. We have falcha, we have K Mila falcha, We now have slan. We now have Chiefy May Baltu. We now have more. We have Imagine Why for good morning. We have Tranona Why for good afternoon. I think it can also be used as good evening, but good afternoon. And Ihawai for good night. So gurme agad or gurme agaibh to you all. Thank you very much. Next up tomorrow is going to be introducing yourself and saying what your name is, or asking for somebody's name, because that's sort of part of your greetings. So that's what's coming up next. Thank you all very much. Thanks as always, and slán for now.